So here we are at the North 4th Street Trail in Clarksville, Tennessee. This part of the trail here they call the Funky Chicken. Little feature drop here. We'll double jump through the trees. Yeah, this is right down there by the trailhead, by the parking lot. Also, I guess the Funky Chicken, it's a little rhythm section here. I guess you could probably double through it or manual, and I'm just pumping through it. Coming up on this first little tabletop, you can over jump these, you gotta be careful. Pretty fun. I take that left ramp, it's a little bit further back and launch further down, and each one of these ramps here actually gets a little bit taller. So further on down the trail here, nice berms, just winding on down towards the creek bottom here. And here's the creek bottom. And we just go ahead and power on up, doing wheelies through these little ditches here. There's actually several features along this route. It's about 4.5 miles is what I got. I don't know what everybody else is getting. This here is the Three Beanies Trail, the first ramp of the Three Beanies. There's several features down this section here. Fun. I probably should get some kind of sponsorship from Scott. That's 275 pounds a man jumping that bike. Little deer off on the left running. Here we go, hitting this little section again. The second time. Here's a little bird's eye view of the Three Beanies Trail. Nice smooth landing. Here's the wife. They're conquering a little ditch crossing there. Both ways. Thanks for